So today I'll discuss about communication in a particular topic. It may be any banking sector, it may be any economic sector. So communication is most important in your life. Communication is a process of exchanging information, ideas, thought, feeling and emotions through speech, signal, writing, on behavior. Okay. So in communication process, what is the communication process? In communication process, a sender encodes a message and then using a medium, it may be WhatsApp, it may be Facebook, it may be phone calls. These are the mediums, and sends it to receiver who decodes the message and after processing information sends back appropriate through appropriate feedback using a medium or channel. So this is the process of communication. So it is most important in your life because each and every time we are using when we are going to any interview, then it will be very helpful for me that communication, it may be English, it may be in Hindi. So communication is most important in your life. So that's why today's session is in my communication. So it will be a topic, it may be any banking sector, economic sector, or any industry. So it will be a great session in for each and every student. How I can speak in English, what are the steps, what are the topic to discussing someone that I am able to speak someone in proper topic and particular topic. So suppose we are discussing about any banking terms like ATM, like bank account. What is banking account, bank account, check bounced? These are the terms. When we go in bank, so there will be many terms which we have to know about those terms. So today I will discussing about what are the terms. So today I will be discussing about what are the terms. Suppose we are discussing about a banking sector's terms. Okay. So ATM. So every people know what is the actual use of ATM, but they don't know what is the meaning of ATM. What is the full form of ATM? So full form of ATM is automated teller machines. Okay, automated teller machines. So this is the full form of ATM. So ATM is invent a company which is name is IBM. Okay, it is a American company, IBM. Who invent is? It is invented by a company, the name of IBM company. You can search in Google about IBM. So now we will discussing about debit card. So in debit card, everybody know the debit card. So you have a bank balance. Okay. So if debit card is a instrument, is an instrument that was developed with digital cash technology and is used when a consumer makes that payment first to the credit card company and then swipes the card. The debit card operates in exact opposite manner of the credit card. So credit card no need adequacy money, no need your money. You can pay later in credit card, and you can withdraw over the bank balance. But you in debit card you have a proper bank balance, then you can use that amount. This is our short session in a communication skills. So communication skills, you can communicate some banking related, some economic related. So you have you have to choose a topic, and then you need to practicing in your organ, mouth organ, then you can able to speak someone like in fluently. So at first you have, what is your homework? Your homework is you have to choose a topic and you have to collect those informations about those topic. Then you can able to speak someone in those particular topic. It may be language in Hindi, it may be language in English.